All right, y'all, here's a little trick I learned that has saved me a pile of money and a pile of frustration and many trips to the hardware store. What I got in front of me is a dull Sawzall blade. I need to cut some stuff. It's taken forever. So, this little trick I learned. I went down to the local hardware store and got me a little triangular file, which ironically was cheaper than buying a new Sawzall blade. Because these are like $2-3. These are about almost $4 now. So, first thing I'm going to do is spray a little WD-40 on it, which don't ask me why, but get a little WD-40 up in there. For some reason it files a lot better. Take your triangular file, just like you would a chainsaw, and work it in those grooves of that teeth. Just keep working it down. I jumped over too many. But that right there will sharpen this thing right up, just like you would a chainsaw blade. But this right here has saved me a lot of money and a lot of trips to hardware. So I don't know if you can see how shiny that spot is. I just did. But it don't take long. Maybe 30 seconds a blade. But that's the trick. Hope it helps. Please like and subscribe.